Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have JBL Endurance Peak 1 OG Generation 1 earbuds, sport earbuds, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not working because they're not connecting to your phone, or they're not syncing, or they're not pairing with Bluetooth, or if the left earphone's not working or the right earphone's not working, so you're only getting sound out of one ear, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. If it doesn't and you just want to replace them with a new set of earbuds, I'll give you a link in the description. You can go to the link for a new set of earbuds. The second reason you might want to do this is if you just want to delete all the pairing history off of them so that you can set them up like they're brand new. We can go ahead and do this. It's super simple. We just need to put them in the case, make sure they're charging. They should be well seated in there. And then on the button on the back of the right earbud, we're just going to tap it 3 times, but on the 3rd time we're going to hold it. So we're going to go like this. Boom, boom, press and hold. And then we're going to hold this for 18 seconds. And after 18 seconds, this will reset to its factory default settings. We'll see it blink. We can go ahead and take them out and set them up like a brand new set of earbuds.